Be strong.
Hi guys, I'm Gitanjali. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy appetizer or a main course boneless fish fry. It's also called as fish 65. It just needs 20 minutes marination and we can deep fry it immediately. And this is very delicious and easy to make. I'm using tilapia fish today. Now I'm going to show you how to make this fish fry. Remy, shall we cook? Okay, now let's cook. I've taken 500 grams of tilapia fillets, already washed and patted dry. Now let's cut it into small pieces like this. Let's add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's mix this. Now let's add half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half a tablespoon of chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder will give color to the dish. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. To this, let's add 1 finely chopped green chili, half a sprig of curry leaves finely chopped, and a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Add half a tablespoon of salt and mix well. The mix looks a little dry, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water. Now let's mix it again. Let's marinate this for 20 minutes. It's already marinated for 20 minutes. Now let's deep fry this fish. Let's heat the oil. Now the oil is hot. Let's start adding the fish pieces slowly. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high flame. The pieces might stick together if you overcrowd the pan, so leave some space between the pieces. Fish needs some social distancing too. Looks like it is cooked. Let's remove it. If you have a thermometer, check to see if the internal temperature has reached 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Our fish fry is ready. It just took only 10 minutes to fry, like marination 20 minutes, less than 30 minutes we finished our dish. Now it's tasting time. It's very delicious, super yummy. Hope you will try this recipe. Please try this recipe and leave your comments. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.